Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek with Janitor AI by connecting your DeepSeek API to a Janitor AI configuration. This can be useful if you want to use DeepSeek models for your Janitor AI conversations instead of the default model. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official DeepSeek website. Sign into your DeepSeek account and look for the API Platform or API Access section. Once you're inside the API area, find the section for API keys. Here you'll be able to create and manage the keys that allow applications like Janitor AI to communicate with DeepSeek. Select the option to create a new API key. Give the key a recognizable name, then create it. Once the key is generated, copy it and store it somewhere secure. Do not share your API key publicly. Treat it like a password because anyone who has access to the key may be able to make API requests using your account. Now, let's move over to Janitor AI. Sign into your account and open any chat. Look for the menu button, usually represented by 3 lines or another settings icon. Open the menu and select API Settings. Inside the API settings, look for the Proxy Configuration option. Select Add Configuration to create a new setup. Give the configuration a simple name, such as DeepSeek, so you can identify it easily if you create additional configurations later. Next, you'll need the model name. Use the model name currently supported by your DeepSeek API and Janitor AI configuration. This is important because model names can change over time, so don't rely on an outdated model name from an old tutorial. Now you'll need the proxy or API endpoint. Enter the endpoint required by your Janitor AI configuration or the proxy service you're using. Make sure the URL is complete and doesn't contain extra spaces or characters. Finally, paste the DeepSeek API key you created earlier into the API key field. Before saving, carefully review everything. Check the model name, endpoint, and API key. Once everything looks correct, click Add Configuration or Save Settings. Now return to your Janitor AI chat and select your new DeepSeek configuration if the interface gives you multiple options. Send a simple test message. If you receive a response, your configuration is working and Janitor AI is successfully communicating with DeepSeek. If you get an authentication error, check your API key. If you see a model not found error, verify that the model name is currently supported. And if you get a connection error, double-check the endpoint or proxy URL. Keep in mind that Janitor AI and DeepSeek can update their interfaces, models, and API requirements, so some options may look different on your screen. And that's it. You now know the basic process for connecting DeepSeek to Janitor AI through an API configuration. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more AI tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.